Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minisforum Ryzen 9 7945HX3D motherboard. So friend, Minisforum has introduced high-end mobile processor with the HX range and has allowed certain companies to experiment by bringing days of desktop on paper. These are the same chip but without the integrated heat spreader and designed for VGA package pre-soldered on the motherboard. Specifications are nearly identical all through the HX series, have a low TDP to maintain the mobile form factor support, and Minisforum has just unveiled a new motherboard means mobile on desktop platform, finally preparing its motherboard with 16-core Ryzen 9 7945HX3D processor. And yes, this is a 3D V-cache version and still aimed the fastest mobile CPU on the market. And the motherboard has full desktop power support, 24 8-pin connector, so you can install it any ATX case. And however, since the fully platform CPU and motherboard, it also comes with a cooler, and previously that were option to buy third-party coolers, but it seems the option is no longer available and the cooler is designed specifically for the system to cool down the CPU, VRM and memory slot. And there is also dedicated smaller fan and heatsink for M.2 SSD, which means this is perfect combination for powerfulness. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.